Have you gotten a message on your dash that says, hey, your trailer may be a little heavy? I think I've got a fix for you on that. And the reason why I bring this up is because I got an email from a gentleman named Ian, and he reached out to me. It appears that he's from Canada, and that's just me guessing because he says open case with GM Canada. But anyway, whenever he hooks up his travel trailer, he gets a warning on the dash that says trailer may be over gross combined weight rating, and it pops up on his dash, and obviously that's annoying. So he went to a certified CAT weigh station and got the following weights, which all fall within his weight limits here within the vehicle. He has a 24 1500 RST Duramax. This is a 24 ZR2 that we're in, and I got a little suggestion right here that we're going to go ahead and take a look at. But before we do that, I want to point out that he did take it into the dealer. The dealer has questioned his ability to drive and set up a travel trailer, which is absolutely ridiculous, and I'm sorry that happened. That definitely shouldn't come up, nothing like that. Obviously, you do have a concern because it's popping up and you're well within your weight rating. And so it appears that they have a TAC case open. They checked for bulletins, none found. But I got good news for you because I also checked bulletins, and I came across this one right here, which says gross combined weight message when towing a trailer. This is dated September 13, 2024. Now, hopefully this helps out other people. But basically, if we go down here on the bottom, the cause of this condition could be the gross combined weight feature. With the feature turned on through the trailer application, the gross combined weight is determined once a customer has driven the vehicle long enough to acquire to calculate the total mass of the vehicle and trailer. If the estimated weight is high enough, it will trigger the alert. But it does not mean the vehicle is overloaded. It is just a reminder that it should be checked on an actual scale. Awesome news here. He went to a certified CAT weigh station and got all of the weights, and it's well within his specs. So we're definitely good there. So now we go back to this bulletin, and obviously this falls directly in line with the issue that he's having. So he's not overloaded based off of the weights on there. It's just it's just a reminder is what this is saying. So what you want to do is this feature can be turned off through trailer application settings. Reference owner's manual under trailer towing for more information. So I didn't go that route because I didn't get that far. I figured I'd just go into my truck right here because we have the same radio screen. Now 22 and a half and above, so 22 and a half, 23, 24, 25 trucks have this radio screen. And now in my case, I hit the trailer right there, and you can see the trailer set up right there. So if we scroll over, we can see right there, wait, connect a trailer to use GCW alert. So what I recommend that you do is actually go in and turn it off. Since you know that you're safely towing the proper weight, I do not suggest this for anybody that's towing over the weight limit. Do not do that because this is an indicator to let you know. And just go ahead and I can't do anything with it because connect a trailer to continue. But hopefully this will solve your issue of that ridiculous message popping up all the time. And if it does, comment down below. Also, other people that have this issue that it pops up, have you done this? Did you already know about this? Or did this help you out in case it pops up? I've never had that pop up, and I drive this thing hard with a trailer. You guys know that. Everybody likes to comment on it. But anyway, till next time, see ya.